Erosion. What is erosion? Erosion is the washing away of the topmost part of the surface of the earth. There are water-induced erosion and wind-induced erosion. What is water erosion? Water erosion is the removal of the top layer of land by water from irrigation, rainfall, snowmelt, runoff, and poor irrigation management. Ultimately, rainwater is most frequently to blame when it comes to this issue. The flowing water moves the soil organic and inorganic particles alongside the land surface, depositing them in the lower landscape. The result of this would be flooding in the long run. The eroded soil material can either form a new soil or move to water reservoirs nearby, lakes, streams, etc. Different types of water erosion. Land depletion caused by water occurs in several stages and is manifested in different ways according to the factors that caused it. Below are the common water erosion types that can affect soil if not prevented promptly. The type of water erosion include 1. Splash. 2. Sheet. 3. Rill. 4. Gully. 5. Tunnel. What is wind erosion? Wind erosion is the natural process of transportation and deposition of soil by the wind. It is a common phenomenon occurring mostly in dry, sandy soils or anywhere the soil is loose, dry, and finely granulated. Wind erosion damages land and natural vegetation by removing soil from one place and depositing it in another. The main mechanism of wind erosion is wind propelling sand and dirt causing erosion. Over time, all the impacts of the loose sand on the rocks starts to make the rocks chip away and erode. Wind erosion is obviously more common in windy areas. Let us take it back to earth science. Erosion is the action of surface processes such as wind that removes soil, rock, or dissolved material from one location on the Earth's crust and then transports it to another location. Wind erosion can be caused by a light wind that rolls soil particles along the surface through to a strong wind that lifts a large volume of soil particles into the air to create dust storms. As wind erosion is the wind-forced entrainment, transportation, and deposition of soil particles, it causes devastating global environmental degradation through movement of fine nutrient-rich surface soil particle to water bodies, air and other land surfaces. This in turn decreases cropland productivity and increases the risk to human life. Wind erosion also impairs soil properties such as structure, moisture content, and organic matter, and it is enhanced by the lack of vegetation on the soil surface. There are 3 types of wind erosion, namely 1. Surface creep. 2. Saltation. 3. Suspension.